just found out two really cool things in Fusion360, or about Fusion360, and I thought I had to share. One thing I really missed was the ability to jump through the timeline with keyboard shortcuts. And there's this plugin called Any Shortcut that lets you do this, so you can define custom timeline shortcuts. So basically you can use keys to jump through the timeline, which is awesome by itself. But the really cool thing I found out about more or less by accident was, say this feature here is driven by the sketch down here in the timeline. So if I highlight the sketch, or if I make it visible, I can one thing, how I can edit the sketch at this point in the timeline. So the sketch is here, and this is the feature I'm interested in. So I can only basically drag unfixed, or like still blue dimension bits. I can obviously show the dimensions, so I could change those in that point here as well. So my computer apparently is having a hard time screen recording and doing Fusion stuff. Well, it did it. Okay, so let's undo this. Hope that it's okay. The thing is, this radial array here, I can only edit that in the sketch. So if I go into the sketch, Fusion puts the the point of the timeline is still here, but all this is grayed out. So I'm history-wise in that spot of the timeline. But the awesome thing is with this how's it called again? Any shortcut, I can actually jump in the timeline, as you see down here, even though I'm basically still living here. So I can edit this thing and see live update in the future, which is pretty cool for some stuff like this. So I thought I might share. See ya.